Alright guys, so I have a quick little video for you guys. I want to get your guys' permission. Do you guys think I should be removing Chapter 5 from the game? Because that's the thing that's making it laggy. I tested everything. I even removed the trees from forest map, or jungle map. Why do I keep calling it forest? I'll use the badge for something else maybe. Maybe the boss fight. Chapter 4 will still stay in the game. But Chapter 4 will be the last chapter if I remove this. You guys think I should remove Chapter 5 to make the game less laggy? And I'm not just going to look at you guys' opinion, your guys' opinion. Why I say you guys' opinion. So basically, I'm also going to be looking at Terrific Turkey's opinion because he also helped me build this. So whatever he says, I'll agree mostly with. But you guys, if he says remove it, if you guys don't really don't want to remove it, then I might not. It depends. Alright, just tell me what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.